Hi, my name's Simon. Welcome to the channel. This is the first of several videos reviewing the Sony A7IV Real World, and these are production cameras, they're not pre-release cameras. Today is the 30th of November 2021, it's 3:30 in the afternoon, and my local delivery company just delivered this brown box which contains what must be one of the very first UK ships Sony A7IVs. For the last week or so, I've been watching various comments on Facebook groups of people receiving their product. First of all in the Far East, I think Hong Kong was the first. It's been moving across the Far East into Europe late last week and early this week, and today they're being shipped in the UK. I'm sorry to say for our American colleagues, it sounds like you're some weeks behind us, but be patient, yours will arrive. So here's the box. The first video is really just going to be unboxing, seeing what's in the box, and then over the next couple of 3 weeks I shall take it out, have a look what it does, and take some photos and share with you my real world experiences of it stage by stage. So let's have a look what's in the box. Okay, very excited to open the box. I have all the key tools for opening packaging. The anticipation has just been amazing. I pre-ordered this several weeks ago, and you just wait and wait. And to be honest, I wasn't really expecting it for another couple of weeks, but I guess the shipments have come in early. And there we have it, which we'll open up very shortly. And the lens as well, which I'll talk to you about in a minute. So here's the Sony box. There we go, Sony A7IV, one of the early production units in the UK. Well, opening the box. Don't we all love to open a box? So the first thing is factory sealed. That's what we like about these. There's nothing quite like getting something that's brand new. Having said that, I do buy quite a lot of second-hand stuff, new second-hand stuff, and I'm rarely disappointed, but sometimes in this particular case you haven't got a choice. So what have we got? We've got a 1 year extended, in the UK, certainly in the EU, there's 2-year warranty on these, so there's the original 1 year and Sony are giving an extra 2 year. They're also giving an extra £100 off what is already a £200 offer on Sony lenses purchased, I think, before the middle of January. So effectively, for some of the higher end Sony lenses, and there is one I've got my eye on, which is a 16 to 35, that's £300 off that lens, which is not, it's still not a cheap lens, but it does make it more palatable. There's various reference guides in here, a help guide. I've already downloaded the manual in a PDF format, and it's hundreds of pages. I have not printed out to save the planet. We've got a couple of plugs in here. Slightly weird, other manufacturers do that a little bit better. This is very much the British plug, and this is very much the European. A lot of manufacturers now have the one block with a little clip-in module, which is far more flexible. That's a little bit last year sort of thing. And then within the box, what do we have? We've got the strap. And I will use this to start with. It's got the A7IV on it, which is always nice to have a bit of branding. We have, in a nice little envelope packet, we have a cable, which is a USB-C. This can be used for charging, it can be used for downloading images. Actually, the one thing I will say about this, aside from the fact it's a USB-C cable, so on the one hand, nothing special, it does feel like quite a thick quality cable. So I suspect that this is not just a cheap charging cable, it's a fairly reasonable one. In this little pouch here, or 2 pouches, we've got the battery. We have the charging block. And in here we will, I'm sure, have the camera. And there it is, new out of its bag. Front cover on, Sony E-mount. As I'm sure you've seen on other reviews, the grip is deeper. Being a Nikon shooter, it does feel actually quite, you can really get your hands around that. It feels good. One or two other people have mentioned for video that these camera straps are not rattly, they're tight, which is absolutely true. And so there we have it in all its full glory. So I'm so thrilled I've got that. Isn't it amazing? I'm not going to take the lens cover off. I'm not even going to fire it up today. This is one for another day, where we can see it firing up and the menu system and various other things. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps me to build the subscriber numbers. I look forward to seeing you over the next few weeks for a series of other videos about this camera. And if yours is on order, I hope you get it very soon. And if you haven't got it on order, I hope you enjoy my experiences of using it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.